Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone not sending text messages. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your iPhone is not sending iMessage or text messages, so let's see some possible fixes about that. So the very first thing, you just have to tap on this I option and then tap on try again, or you have to check if your issue has been fixed and try again or not. If it's still not fixed, so there are some possible fixes. Very first thing, you have to open your settings app. Go for the apps option, and here you have to look for messages app, and here you just have to make sure that your iMessage has been enabled. If you find it disabled, you have to try to enable this toggle, and you have to also make sure that your send and receive address has been set. So just wait for this, wait for activation option, and after that you'll be able to set your send and receive address here. After that, if you're still facing the same issues, it might be that you are connected to a weak network connection. You have to make sure that your connection is strong, and you have to also make sure that you have an cellular service. If you find cellular service is weak, so you're unable to send message if your phone is working fine. Or after that, if you're still facing the same issues, you have to try to make a forced restart to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly personalize the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly personalize the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here once you get the black screen, just wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone and you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, open your settings app here, go for general, go for software updates, and you have to try to make a software update if you find your pending software updates. After that, if your issue is still not fixed, you have to go for this transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your network settings, so if there will be any issue with your network settings, it will be fixed in this step. It will not delete any kind of your data, so you can either try this, and after that, your issue must be fixed. Or if any case your issue is still not fixed, you have to open your Apple Support app. You can easily install Apple Support app from your app store, or you can use Apple Support app. Select your iPhone from here, select more option, look for messages app here, select that, and then wait for this loading. Scroll down, tap on this get more help option, then tap on call us. After that, you'll find a phone number whenever you want to talk. You have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.